Hello everybody, how are you? In today's lesson we will learn possessive pronouns. Assalomu alaykum, xush kelibsiz. Bugungi darsimizda biz egalik olmoshlarini o'rganamiz. Biz o'zbek tilida egalik olmoshlarini qo'shimchalar orqali yasaymiz, ammo ingliz tilida ular alohida so'zlardir. Endi esa egalik olmoshlarini o'rganamiz. Xo'sh, qora bilan yozilganlari kishilik olmoshlari, ko'k bilan yozilganlar o'sha kishilik olmoshlarining egalik shakli. I, men, my, mening. We, biz, our, bizning. You, siz, your, sizning. He, u, erkaklarga nisbatan his, uning. She, u, ayollarga nisbatan her, uning. They, ular, their, ularning. It, jonsiz narsa va hayvonlarga nisbatan u, its, uning. O'rganganlarimizni mustahkamlash uchun misollarda ko'rib chiqamiz. Now we will see some examples in order to consolidate what we have learned. Okay, let's learn with the help of the examples. My hands, mening qo'llarim. Our house, bizning uyimiz. His mother, uning onasi. Their pencil, ularning qalami. Her car, uning mashinasi. Endi esa gaplarda qanday ishlatilishini o'rganamiz. I like my job. Men ishimni yoqtiraman yoki men ishimni yaxshi ko'raman. O'zbek tilida bu egalik qo'shimchasiga to'g'ri keladi. We like our jobs. Biz ishimizni yaxshi ko'ramiz. You like your job. Sen ishingni yoqtirasan. He likes his job. U ishini yoqtiradi. She likes her job. U ishini yoqtiradi. They like their jobs. Ular ishlarini yoqtiradilar. Samarkand is famous for its bread. Samarqand noni bilan mashhur. Samarqandni it olmoshi bilan almashtirsak bo'ladi. Masalan, it is famous for its bread. U noni bilan mashhur. Bu chizmada egalik olmoshlarining kimga nisbatan ishlatilishi ko'rsatib berilgan. Lucy, ya'ni qiz bola, uning. George, ya'ni o'g'il bola, his, uning. Mr. and Mrs. Thompson, janob Thompson va Thompson xonim, their, ularning. Lucy, her, ya'ni qiz bolaga nisbatan. Her car, uning mashinasi, ya'ni mashina Lucyga tegishli. Lucy's car. Her husband, uning turmush o'rtog'i, ya'ni Lucy's husband, Lucyning turmush o'rtog'i. Her children, uning bolalari. Lucy's children, Lucyning bolalari. George, his, uning, ya'ni o'g'il bolaga nisbatan. His bike, uning velosipedi. His sister, uning opasi. His parents, uning ota-onasi. Mr. and Mrs. Thompson, their, ularning. Their son, ularning o'g'li. Their daughter, ularning qizi. Their children, ularning bolalari. If you like my lesson, press like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next lessons. Bye bye.
My heart and your heart, his heart and her heart, it's heart and our hearts, your hearts and their hearts, my hand and your hand, his hand and her hand, it's house and our house, your house and their house.
Agar video sizga ma'qul kelgan bo'lsa, like bosing va kanalimga obuna bo'lishni unutmang. Keyingi videolarda ko'rishguncha, xayr.